As of right now, our sun is pretty much the only star around. The closest neighboring star is 4 light years away, in Alpha Centauri. Sure, 4 light years might not seem like a lot in cosmic terms, but it definitely is a long way away. Scientists predict that 1,000,000 years in the future, 1.3 million years to be exact, another star will visit our solar system. That star is called Gliese 710, and it's only expected to visit for a short time. But what if this star decided to stay in our solar system and begin traveling toward our sun, eventually hitting it? Today, Life's Biggest Questions asks, what if our sun hit another star? Hello and welcome back to Life's Biggest Questions. I'm Charlotte Dobre. On this channel, we ask the most interesting questions we can think of and try to answer them for your entertainment. Hit that subscribe for more daily questions and don't forget to stick around until the end of the video where we respond to some of your comments. So, what if our sun hit another star? There's actually a scientific term for this. It's called a stellar collision. It's defined as the coming together of two stars caused by stellar dynamics within a star cluster, or by the orbital decay of a binary star due to stellar mass loss or gravitational radiation. While it's extremely uncommon for a star to collide with another star, this type of event is estimated to occur once every 10,000 years. Scientists know it occurs because they've actually observed it happening. Back in September of 2008, scientists observed a stellar merger in Scorpius. At the time, they had no idea what they had just witnessed. It's believed that any stars in the universe can collide while fusion is still active, but also while they are dead stars, which is when fusion is no longer taking place. The star that is most likely to collide with our sun is Gliese 710, which is 60% as massive as the sun. Though it's estimated that Gliese won't get too close, it will hang out in the Oort cloud, which is the ring of dust, rocks, comets, and debris that circles the furthest edges of our solar system. Even so, Gliese will be 1.4 trillion miles away from us, but will shine brightly in the night sky. Very brightly. Around 3 times as brightly as Mars. Though there's no chance that it will collide with any of the larger objects in our solar system, it very well could shoot comets and debris into our solar system that have the potential to hit Earth. This actually won't be the first time that another star has entered our solar system. It happened once before, and not that long ago either, when early humans were around. 70,000 years ago, a dwarf star entered the Oort cloud, and scientists think that this type of event could have caused mass extinction events on Earth, like the asteroid that is said to have killed the dinosaurs. If a star that far away did enough damage to our planet to permanently eradicate dinosaurs from the face of the Earth, imagine what would happen if a star got close enough to hit our sun. If our sun collided with another star, we definitely wouldn't be around to witness it. It implies that another star would have to get close enough to our sun that both stars would light up the sky, either doubling or significantly increasing the amount of solar energy our planet receives. That would essentially cook our planet. As the invading star got closer to our sun, there would be an epic battle between their competing gravitational forces. They would throw mass and gas in every direction. So if there were any life forms left on Earth at this point, there definitely wouldn't be after this happens. Once the star actually collided with our sun, it would cause a massive explosion, likely big enough to destroy most of the planets in our solar system, and send gravitational waves rippling through the universe. We know this because a gravitational wave was detected on August 25, 2017, and it was believed to have been associated with the merger of 2 neutron stars in a distant galaxy. This was the first time that an event like this was observed via gravitational radiation. The exact timeline of events of a stellar collision depend on the type of star. Normal stars like our sun are called main sequence stars. These stars only merge in places where there are many stars in a small area of space, a globular cluster. It's believed that when stars merge in globular clusters, they actually form one star, one very hot, bright star. The subsequent star would be blue, as hot stars are blue. But let's say this is a few 100 million years in the future, and our sun is a white dwarf. Let's say a white dwarf star collided with our white dwarf sun. We also know what happens when white dwarf stars collide. It's called a Type 1a supernova, a massive explosion that totally destroys both stars. This would create very bright, luminous energy. Particles like the atomic nuclei of these stars could also be ejected in the explosion. The nuclei will collide with each other and be bombarded by neutrons, which would then convert them into different elements. Interestingly, many of the heavy elements in our universe are formed in this way. Well, there you have it. This is what would happen if our sun hit another star. Are you surprised? Did you find it interesting? If you did, leave a thumbs up and comment below. And while you do that, I'm going to respond to some comments from my last video on this channel, what if a comet hit the sun? Dawn Amber said, what if Life's Biggest Questions ate a butter chicken? I ate a butter chicken for dinner yesterday actually. It was delicious. Hassan said, so you're officially back? Because you guys are the best channel on YouTube. We are officially back. As far as I know, we never left. We just weren't making money for about a week there. YouTube Joseph said, how come on this channel first it was Danny Berg, then it was Ron McKenzie, and now it's Jack Finch? Because, like many other jobs, working for this channel is a job. And sometimes people get other jobs. It ain't rocket science, honey. Connor Large said, change background music, same music for a year. No. Derek Jacob said, love this channel, would never want to lose it. Well, we wouldn't want to lose you too, Derek. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep watching, check out the playlist that's currently flashing on your screen. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I will see you in a future episode of Life's Biggest Questions.